How to do Lin Dan's Deceptive return of serve. What is deception? You may have heard this term before, but what does it actually mean to be deceptive in badminton? A deceptive shot can involve a misleading body movement or a racket movement, i.e. double action or delay, that causes the opponent to take the shuttle late and produce a weak return, or even better, give you an outright winner by them being in the wrong place on the court. Deceptive shots can wrong-foot an opponent, making them move in the wrong direction from where the shuttle is actually going. They cause confusion and make it difficult for your opponent to predict where on the court the shuttle will be hit into. As you can see, Lin Dan's double action is very quick. Lin Dan's deceptive return of serve. The low backhand double fake. This shot is played on the even side of the court. The aim is to send the opponent the wrong way because he has followed the first swing action. This requires 1. A very rapid arm action, and 2. A high level of control. How to do it? First of all, you need to fake a lift into the rear backhand corner, but then play a net shot. There are 3 steps to follow in order to do this. 1. You need to fake the lift into the backhand corner and then pull back on the racket quickly. 2. You then need to follow up by playing a cross-court net shot. 3. The speed of the double action or the skill tempo is knock-knock or 1-2.